Moko kuom jodak ma Nyambera e kaunti ma Kisii ne oninde koyo tok ka utegi nomuki mondo mi owe thuolo mar gero ndara e alworano. Kata kamano gikwedo wach ma kamano ka giwacho ni moko kuom gioramo ni utegi ok nie lo mar ndara. Crispin Otieno miwa ler achiel kachiel kowuok e kaunti ma Kisii. Kata kamano wan gi ripot ma kamano manoselosi kowuok e kaunti ma Kisii, wawinjane kata wane kaka nobedo.
While we are not against the developmental agenda of the governor of Kisii, we only question the manner in which things are done. That what informs their decision to make such a demolition, when in the real sense those who did the construction, like in the church where we are, we were informed by the town planning, the fiscal planning, and the surveyor. We are aware where the beacons are for the boundaries, and we did our development within the boundaries of our land. And when they are doing the demolition, there is no notice that was given.
Nimeshangaa siku ya leo kukimbia, ninalia kumuuliza. Hii ndiyo asanti kwa njia ya kubomoa mali ya wananchi wa hii nchi. Sababu angetupa hata siku 3-2 ili kanisa lijipange, tujue hata vitu zetu tutaweka wapi.
Tuliweka mbolea, sasa tumeumia sana, lakini sasa kwa kutengeneza barabara ni njia nyingine mzuri sana juu hii ndio nini town ikue kubwa, ipanuke, ndio tuone town yetu na sisi imepanuliwa. Sasa tunakuomba misaarati, hii kazi unafanya ni nzuri, hata ingalau tumekuwa affected. Tunakushukuru sana, waendelee.